Blackstone Griddle Seasoning. This is how you season your griddle with the Blackstone Griddle Seasoning and Cast Iron Conditioner. You're gonna wipe down the surface first, then you're gonna preheat the griddle, which I've already done, and then you're gonna scoop it and apply it to the surface and spread it around. Now you can do that multiple ways. It's not coming off the spoon very well. I like to use a tong. You can use a paper towel at the end of this too, get a little bit more control. But as long as you move it around, and you can see it's just starting to smoke off. And that's exactly what you want to do. Now you're gonna let it sit and cool after you smoke it off. Do this 3 to 5 times. Let it sit for 15 minutes and cool off as you're just seasoning for the first time. And then they advise you to do this after every cook. A thin layer after every use, or when you're cleaning, right after cleaning I should say. Now I don't do it every single time. You can see here's the smoke coming off, so we know it's working. I don't do it every single time I cook. I probably do it every 2 or 3, just because again, you can rifle through a lot of this stuff. Totally up to you what you want to do. But after you do this, your griddle's seasoned. It's burning off. And we are ready to cook.